Toyota Kirloskar Motors earlier this year launched BS6 version of its successful MPV Innova Krista in the Indian market. Now, Toyota Kirloskar Motors India has hiked the prices of its popular MPV, the Innova Krista, in the country. The prices for the BS6 compliant Toyota Innova Krista have increased from anywhere between Rs 25,000 to Rs 61,000 depending on the variant chosen. The Toyota Innova Krista BS6 MPV now comes with a starting price of Rs 15.66 lakh for the base spec variant, while the top spec model is now priced at Rs 23.63 lakh ex-showroom. Apart from the increase in prices, no other changes have been made on the Innova Krista model. The Toyota Innova Krista continues to be available in a range of 18 trims and offered with either a 7 or 8-seater configuration. All variants of the Toyota Innova Krista further come with a host of features and equipment as well. The 18 variants on offer on the Toyota Innova Krista comes with two powertrain options. The petrol unit is offered in 6 variants, while the remaining 12 trims receive the diesel unit. The petrol engine includes a 2.7-litre unit producing 164 bhp and 245 Nm of peak torque. The diesel engine, on the other hand, includes a 2.4-litre unit churning out 148 bhp and 360 Nm of peak torque. Transmission options on the Toyota Innova Krista include either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. The company also recently globally unveiled the 2021 Toyota Fortuner facelift in Thailand. The new Fortuner facelift comes with a number of updates to its design, giving it a much aggressive and sharper look.